morning students, welcome to the physical education class. I'm your sports teacher Joachim James. Today we will be learning about chess, how to set up the chess board. This is a chess board. First we will place a chess board in such a manner that each player has a light or white color square at the bottom of the right side. Just see this white color bottom at the right side, and same here also. It is in my right hand side and my opponent also is having white box at the right hand side. Okay students, as you can see, there is white box and black box. If you count white box, it is 32 in the number, and if you count black box, that is also 32 in the number. Okay students, now there are 32 pieces. This is known as pieces. Okay, 16 black pieces and 16 white pieces. This is called pawns. There are 8 pawns. We have to place it all together. In total, white pawns are 8 and black pawns are 8. See, next to each other we have to place it. Yes. Here, this is how you have to keep the pawns in front. Very good. Okay, this is your rook. Okay, R-O-O-K, rook. Okay, and it comes side of the corner. Both the side of the corner. Yes. Same, black also. Very good. Okay, this is called knight. Okay, don't call it horse. Place the side like this. Same, black also. Knight here. This is the formation. After that comes bishop next to the knight here. Same with the black also. White queen will be placed on white square, and black queen will be placed on black square, and the remaining space will be occupied by the king. Okay students, this is the whole setup of chessboard. Just see, observe it very carefully now. 8 pawns are there. Okay, in front line, white this side, black this side. Then comes your root, then knight, bishop, same with black also, root, knight, bishop. Again this side also, rook, knight, bishop. Same. Repeat after me. Rook, knight, bishop. Okay, and the white queen will be placed on white square, and black queen will be placed on black square, and the remaining part will be occupied by the king. So this is the setup. You practice this at home and it should be correct. This is the first basic step of playing chess. Now we'll see how to move the pawns. Okay. Now how it moves. Pawn moves in one direction only and capture in other direction. Okay. Like see, the movement is like this. Movement is like this. 2 steps. See, 2 steps. And after placing the 2 steps, after Doing the 2 steps, it goes one by one step at a time. Okay? And while you have to do the capture, it doesn't capture straight, it capture opposite side. Like suppose one pawn is here, so it can capture like this across. Okay, so I repeat one more time. It moves in one direction and capture in different direction. Okay, students, now this is your rook. Rook moves in plus direction. It moves in plus direction. It can goes up, it can come back down also, sideways and this side also. So it moves in plus direction. Okay, it can move up, it can move down, it can move towards your right, it can move towards your left hand also. Okay, this is your knight. It moves in L shape. Okay, it moves in the shape of L. Like this it can move. It can jump on any other pieces also. See, I'll give you one example. Okay, here. So you have to count now. 1, 2 and a half. So this is called L shape. Okay, the formula is 1, 2 and a half. See, you can move 1, 2 and a half. So it automatically jump from the other part. Okay, so see, 1, 2 and a half this side. 1, 2 and a half this side also. It can go this side also. See, 1, 2 and a half. Like 1, 2 and a half. So in all 4 directions it can move. This bishop, it can move in X pattern in any number of square. See, here it can go, it can come back also. Then from here it can go here and come back also. So it is like a X shape. It can move in X shape. Like this, then like this also. Very good. Queen is the most powerful. It can move like rook as well as bishop. Okay, it can move like rook also, plus sign like this. Okay, and it can move as bishop also. X type. See, like all this direction it can move. That's why, because of this quality, it is the most important and powerful piece on chessboard. Again, the most important piece in the chessboard is the king. The king can move one place at a time. Okay, like here, then back also, like sideways, one piece at a time. It can move one square at a time. Okay, like this, and it is the most important thing. If you capture the king, the whole chess game is over. If the king is overtaken, then the chess is done. It is finished. So the king plays a very important role. So you have to save your king. So this is the complete formation of chessboard. All the pieces are placed like this only. Okay. I hope you will practice at home. Enjoy yourself. Be safe. And be a good students. Thank you so much.